In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google account to your Kraken account. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users. So all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. This is very easy, just log into your Kraken account and click your profile at the top right of the screen. Then go to security right here and you will find this option to link your Google account, so you can use your Google account to log into your Kraken account. So just click on connect right here and select your Google account and click on continue to confirm the link. In my case, I'm not going to do it because if someone has access to my Google account, they will also get into my Kraken account and I don't want that. But that's the process you need to follow if you want to sign in using your Google account. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.